आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hey guys, now we are going to solve this question. So the question says, let f be a function defined from 0, 1 to r. F of 0 is equal to f of 1 is equal to 0, and f double derivative of f of x minus 2 times of single derivative of f of x plus f of x is greater than equal to e power x for x belonging from 0 to 1. If e power minus x f of x assumes its minimum value in the interval 0 to 1 at x equal to 1 by 4, which of the following is true? So let's say g of x is a function which is e power minus x f of x, and let's differentiate once g of x. So it is e power minus x f dash x minus f of x. Okay, and let's find double derivative of g of x. So it is e power minus x f double dash x minus f of x, sorry, plus f of x minus 2 times of f single derivative of f of x. So this is the same value which is given in the question, that is f double dash x minus 2 times of f dash x plus f of x. So we know that e power minus x f double dash x plus f of x minus 2 f dash x is greater than equal to 1. So double derivative of g of x is also greater than equal to 1. Okay, for all values of x in 0 to 1. Okay, so now we can say that using the principle that we know, for if a function's double derivative is greater than 0, then at that point for a particular x there is a minima, and since there is it is greater than 0 for x belonging to 0 to 1, then there is a minima in it. Since we know that double derivative of g of x increases, that is double derivative of g of x is greater than 0, then we can say single derivative of g of x increases, as if the derivative of a function is positive, then the function increases. Here the function is first derivative of g of x. Okay, so first derivative of g of x increases. So, and we know that first derivative of g of x is negative, because for x less than 1 by 4, g dash x is less than g dash 1 by 4. As we know, g dash first derivative of g of x increases, and at x equal to 1 by 4 there is a minima. Okay, so we know this, and we know that first derivative of g of x is from here first derivative of f of x minus f of x multiplied e power minus x, it is less than 0. As we know that derivative of at 1 by 4 is 0, that because there is a minima, this cancels, so we get first derivative of f of x is less than f of x, and here we are talking about the interval x greater than 0 and less than 1 by 4. So the option C is correct, that is first derivative of f of x is less than f of x for x belonging from 0 to 1 by 4. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।